it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! Happy 2021! And because it's New Year, I have a new skincare that I am going to review today. So I started like trying this out, this new skincare last January 2 kasi sabi ko nga, since it's New Year, I'm gonna try a new skincare for me to review here in my channel. So, I'm wearing my glasses. Medyo may reflection yung glasses sa camera. Hindi ko kasi nakikita yung sarili ko ng maayos sa monitor. So, bear with my glasses. I'm not sure if this is a Japanese brand or a Filipino brand pero formulated lang in Japan. But the brand is Organic Skin. I found this sa Instagram. Tapos, talagang na-intrigue ako. And it's a good thing kasi nagpadala sila sa akin. This one is the Poreless Glass Skin Kit. I got two, by the way. I have the Rejuvenating Set and the Poreless Glass Skin Kit. Pero ito yung una kong ginamit kasi I'm not into the Rejuvenating kasi marami akong I heard a lot of experiences, kumbaga, from other brands naman, hindi naman from this brand, na good experiences or bad experiences with a rejuvenating set. So, hindi ko muna yung tinatry. I'm gonna try that out after this. But, eto nga, I am trying the Organic Skin Poreless Glass Skin Kit since January 2, and it's January 10 today, so it's been 9 days. And guys, eto siya. These are like travel sizes. There's only 4 items inside. So, my instructions siya at the back. I'm sorry, medyo bulol-bulol ako on how to use this. So, I have here, eto, 4 na items. I got here the cleanser, the toner, then the night cream, yeah, and then the daytime cream. Ito siya, 3 steps lang siya, all in all. So, perfect siya kapag nagmamadali kayo. If you're out of town, ganon. If you're traveling, talagang super perfect siya pang dalhin kasi it's very travel-friendly. Hindi siya babasagin and maliliit lang siya, guys. So, per bottles of the toner and the facial cleanser contains 60 ml, while for the creams, 20 ml lang. I think these are trial sets. The step 1 is the cleanser, and this one is the Poreless Glass Skin Facial Cleanser that you can use day and night every time na naghihilamos kayo. So, I'm reading my kodigo here. This deeply cleanses skin impurities and excess dirt while it brightens and moisturizes for a healthy glowing white skin. Oo nga, hindi ito nagpro-provide yung super dry feel, tight feeling after cleansing your face. Hindi naman ganon. And moisturize, hydrates, yes, a little bit, although not as in super hydrating. Kaya nga kailangan mo ng moisturizer, kailangan mo ng cream to back up the hydration na napro-provide nito. But yes, okay siya. Yung con lang nga is the scent. Next is the Poreless Glass Skin Toner. This I like except for the scent as well. O nga pala, I do not like applying my toner with a cotton pad. As in, never ever ko na yung ginagawa. So, yung ginagawa ko is, I pour this at the back of my palm, warm it a bit in my palm, and then I apply it on my face. Then, kapag may natitira pa here in my neck, upward motion. Ganon. Yun yung ginagawa ko with my toner. And ever since I discovered like applying my toner using my palms or my hands, yun na talaga yung ginagawa ko palagi. So, this pore clarifying toner that deeply cleanse and unclog pores. This unclogs pores, guys, as it brightens and moisturizes, giving a clear and luminous skin. What do you think, guys? Diba? Kasi pulbot, lip tint, and kilay lang yung meron sa mukha ko ngayon. And so far, talagang okay siya. It unclogs pores, kaya naman, nalilesen talaga yung whiteheads and blackheads ko. Promise, super ganda ng set na to. And then I have here the Poreless Glass Skin Face Cream Sunscreen. This one brightens and moisturizes skin, giving a luminous glow as it protects daily from harmful UV rays because this contains SPF 60. Ito yung nagbaback up sa hydration na naibibigay ni toner. And aside from that, meron din siyang SPF 60, so it will provide your skin from harmful UV rays. Kaya naman with this one, hindi ko talaga tinitipid yung mukha ko. I get like 2 centimeters from here, sa line na yan, up to there, or 2 ml, ganun ako kadami mag-apply ng sunscreen on my face. But since this is a cream or a moisturizer cream with an SPF 60, then talagang marami yung ina-apply ko on my skin. Hindi ko tinitipid yung skin ko. And kahit ganun naman, hindi naman ako nag-oil up throughout the day. Yung napro-provide niya lang talaga is a glass skin, yung glowy skin, ganun. Yung parang may bulb yung mukha mo, ganun lang yung napro-provide niya, guys. So, hindi na ako nag-a-apply ng separate sunscreen on top of this one kasi nga, may SPF 60 na to. So, the step 3 for nighttime is this one. Makikita nyo if it's nighttime or daytime kasi ayan, nakikita nyo ba yung difference? This one, may sun, tapos pink dyan. Ito naman is may moon, tapos gray dyan. Yan yung difference. So, malalaman at malalaman nyo talaga. So, the step 3 for nighttime or when you're about to sleep, this one is especially formulated to brighten and moisturize skin while reducing appearance of dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, leaving skin flawlessly glowing. So, when I wake up the following day, okay pa rin yung skin ko. Hindi ako nagda-dry na super dry talaga. So, I've been using it for 9 days. And so far, hindi ko naman talaga nakikita yung super improvement na poreless. I think that's impossible. I have big pores, by the way, dito. Here. Kaya nga, I have acne-prone skin din. I have oily skin din. Kaya madali akong magka-acne dahil nga malalaki yung pores ko. So, ayun. So, ito nga yung mas pinili ko because of that. And, to be honest, guys, ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan sa dalawang liquid, sa toner and sa cleanser is the scent because it has a scent but it's not very strong and it's not mild either. It's in between but you can really smell it. Kahit andito siya, nasa-smell ko siya. When you apply it in your skin, nasa-smell mo, kahit na-absorb na siya into your skin. Whenever my husband kisses me, nasa-smell mo siya. So, yun lang yung hindi ko nagustuhan dito sa dalawang ito. It's just the scent. But, it works naman perfectly on my skin. Again, I have oily skin, I have acne-prone skin, and I have large pores here. Yung cleanser, medyo naninibago ako kasi I prefer foam cleansers than liquid cleansers. But this works naman. Pero hindi ko siya nilalagay directly on my face. Nilalagay ko siya on my palms and then I let it lather in my palms first before I apply it on my face. So, minamassage ko muna siya. Minimum of 30 seconds. Super maximum na yung 1 minute kapag sobrang daming like haggard, stress, dirt na sa mukha ko. Malalaman nyo din naman yan. If you're out in the field for the entire day, then 1 minute. Kapag andito ko lang naman sa bahay and the 20 seconds, 30 seconds, pwede na yun. So, ganun. Sa apat na ito, yung least favorite ko is the cleanser. Kasi nga, I prefer foam cleansers. But, okay pa rin naman siya. Hindi din naman siya masama. It does the job pa rin naman. Yung con lang talaga is the scent. Yun lang. Even though I've tried this for 9 weeks, yung talagang super visible, super obvious na effect niya in my skin. Kahit na yung claim nito, talagang they are very honest with their claim. Nakalagay talaga at the back dito. The results will be seen in 2 to 3 weeks. But, sa akin, hindi siya umabot ng 2 weeks. 9 days pa lang. Talaga yung super visible result. Kasi tingnan ko yung face ko kagabi to know kung ano ba talaga yung super changes. Kaya ayun, tinignan ko, I studied my face. And yung napansin ko talaga, honestly guys, no joke, is wala na ako gaanong yung mga blackheads and whiteheads. As in, natatanggal niya. Kasi every now and then, I try to like, ako yung napi-facial sa sarili kong mukha kasi I trust my hands compared to other hands. Ever since I started doing that, yung ako na mismo yung napi-facial sa sarili kong mukha, hindi na ako gaano nabi-breakout. So, ayun, napi-facial ako sa sarili kong mukha and then, gagawin ko na sana din siya kagabi. Yun, as in, like, mga 2 weeks or 3 weeks ko lang hindi napi-facial yung mukha ko because of the busyness of the holiday season. And talagang less, as in, super less whiteheads. To the point na parang wala akong nakuha kagabi, guys, actually. Pero, when I started using this, after 3 days, I went to PRC, I went to Cagayan de Oro to process some papers, and then, the entire day ako nagmask, and may tumubong isang pimple dito. You can see there's a scar there. Isang pimple lang naman. Pero, tinignan ko kung dahil ba yun sa mask, kasi entire day ako nagmask outside, or maybe of this one. So, I still continued using this. Hindi ako nag-give up sa kanya. And then, wala namang tumubog ibang pimple, so thank God. So, I therefore conclude na yung pimple na tumubog isa dito, hindi ito yung cause niya. Pero, it's a mask ni caused by face mask. Ganun. Hindi naman naging super poreless yung mukha ko, but then, na-minimize niya. And then, ano siya guys? Na-minimize niya yung pores. Tapos, talagang super visible effect. Yun nga, paulit-ulit kong sinasabi is, na-lessen yung blackheads and whiteheads. Alam nyo ba, kung nalilesen yung blackheads and whiteheads nyo, meaning, yung pores nyo is napo-close. Kasi wala nang naka-clog na dirt, wala nang naka-clog na mga whatever sebum inside your pores. Kasi nga, close na siya. Yun guys. Talagang super effective niya kahit 9 days pa lang. Hindi ako umabot ng 2 weeks or 3 weeks, pero talagang yun yung visible effect niya sa akin. No joke. Honest to God. As in, honest to goodness. Promise. Kahit na hindi ko gaanong least favorite ko itong cleanser, kasi nga I prefer a foam cleanser over a liquid cleanser. But still, dahil sa effect na ibibigay niya sa akin, I'm still going to continue to use this. I'm so happy that I discovered organic skin. This is a skincare that's formulated in Japan. And you all know, kapag, hindi naman sa I'm underestimating kapag manufactured here in the Philippines, pero iba talaga, I'm sorry guys, pero iba talaga yung quality ng mga Japan skincare products. Ganun, talagang high quality, yung pinag-isipan, yung quality made, ganun. So, it's super duper nice. I can highly recommend this one, guys. Perfect siya for everyday skincare routine, lalong-lalo na kapag nagmamadali kayo everyday, kapag late kayong gumigising everyday, or late kayong umuwi everyday. Kasi nga, 3-step skincare routine lang siya. So, you have a cleanser, a toner. So, if it's nighttime, then the nighttime cream, or if it's daytime, then the daytime cream. There are no harmful chemicals in this set. Guys, this is highly recommended. Hindi ako nagre-recommend ng skincare kapag hindi ko siya natatry on my skin. You all know that. So, at least ako na yung nagiging guinea pig nyo, guys. Kasi you don't have to try it yourself na talagang para makita lang yung result. Guys, trust me, these are really good. As in, super, I'm happy that I get to try this one out. So, this is gonna last you for 2 months, I think. Kasi a little goes a long way. Except for the cream, eto, talagang hindi ko tinitipid yung mukha ko with the creams. Talagang, I spoiled my face with the creams. So, I highly recommend that you try this one out, guys. As in, this is not going to disappoint you. It did not disappoint me. It impressed me, and I'm so happy. So, highly recommended. So, guys, if you want to check this brand out, the Organic Skin, I'm gonna put the links where you can find them, their Facebook, their Instagram, and where you can buy them. I think they have an official store sa Shopee and Lazada. Basta everything, I'm gonna put everything on the description box below. So don't forget to check them one out. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And please do click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. That's it, you guys. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. God bless everyone. Mwah!